This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start now. Make sure the PS3 is fully powered off and plugged into power. You must connect a controller with a USB cable before safe mode appears. Once done, press and hold the console power button. You should listen for the first beep that indicates initial power. Do not release yet. The goal here is to trigger the special boot sequence, so keep holding until you reach the second step described next. Now continue the sequence. After the initial hold, release when you detect the second beep, then press and hold the power button again until you hear 2 quick beeps and the system displays the Safe Mode menu on screen. At this point, make sure the controller is connected by USB and press the PS button to pair it. Wireless won't work. You see options like Restore File System or Rebuild Database. These exist to repair software issues before you attempt any destructive steps. Finish by selecting the appropriate Safe Mode option and confirming with the wired controller. If you are unsure, choose Restore File System first because it repairs corrupted files without erasing content. Rebuild Database reorganizes data and can fix sluggish behavior. Once the chosen process completes, the PS3 will prompt you to reboot. Do so. If Safe Mode fails to appear, power off fully, try the sequence again. Test a different USB cable or controller, and ensure firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.